Hello, Sailor Merlin. This is Peedy, the caretaker at your country home.
Ah yes, Peedy. What can I do for you? Is there a problem?
I am just calling to advise you, Sailor Merlin, that your parrot, he is dead.
My parrot? Dead? The one that won the international competition?
See, Sailor, that's the one.
Damn. That's a pity. I spent a small fortune on that bird. What did he die from?
From eating the rotten meat, Sailor Merlin.
Rotten meat? Who the hell fed him rotten meat?
Nobody, Sailor. He ate the meat of the dead horse.
Dead horse? What dead horse?
The thoroughbred, Sailor Merlin.
My prize thoroughbred is dead?
Yes, Sailor Merlin, he died from all that work pulling the water cart.
Are you insane? What water cart?
The one we used to put out the fire, Sailor.
Good lord. What fire are you talking about?
The one at your house, Sailor Merlin. A candle fell and the curtains caught on fire.
Oh my god. Are you saying that my mansion is destroyed because of a candle?
See, Sailor.
But there's electricity at the house. What was the candle for?
For the funeral, Sailor.
Huh? What bloody funeral?
Your wife's, Sailor Merlin. She showed up very late one night and I thought she was a burglar, so I hit her with your new Ping G15204G titanium head golf club with a TFC 149D graphite shaft.
Woo! Peedy, if you broke that driver, you're in deep shit.